Okay, for today, you're going to title your notes using similar triangles. Two triangles are similar when all of their angles are congruent, which means all of their angles are the same measure. So in our example here, and again, I'd like you to sketch the picture. Our two triangles are different sizes, but they're similar because they have all of the same angle measures. Okay, this is just a larger version of this same triangle. How we would write this kind of in a sentence is that triangle ABC is similar to, this wavy line means is similar to, triangle DEF. Okay, so pause, make sure you get this slide down. Are the two triangles similar? Explain. So first thing we have to do is find our missing angle, which we were working on last week. So 75, 50, and X have to add to 180. Okay, so that'd be 125 plus X equals 180. So X is 55. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. Well, actually, 75 is on both, 50 is on both, which means that 55 has to be on both. So, yes, they are similar. They're the same three angles. All right, here we have 90, 42, and X. So I'm going to take 90 plus 42 plus X equals 180. So 132 plus X equals 180. So X equals 48. Okay? So I have 48 here. On this one, I have Y plus 90 plus 38 equals 180. 90 plus 38 is 128. And if I subtract 128, I should get 52. Okay? So these are not the same angles. They're not the same numbers. So this is no, not similar. Okay? I'm going to have you try these two on your own. So go ahead and pause and try them. And then after you're done, you can hit play and make sure that you are right. All right, so the purple set of triangles are similar. They have the same three numbers. The yellow set of triangles are not similar because they are not the same three angle measures. Okay, they do not always have to give you angles for you, the numbers for you to know they're the same. When these two triangles are contained, this smaller one is contained inside the larger one, we know this angle has to be the same because it's the exact same angle. And then remember, we also talked about when we have parallel lines that are cut by the same line in between, these angles are called corresponding angles. So we know that they're the same. Okay, same here. These are two parallel lines cut by this transversal. So these two angles are corresponding, so they're the same. So these are similar. And we know that because of the parallel lines. Okay, so anytime one triangle is contained inside another, they're going to be similar. Now what's different about this one is I'm going to go ahead and extend my parallel line. So these are parallel. And then this line is going to cut through this one, but way down here. So we know that, for instance, this angle goes with this angle, but that doesn't matter because it's not on this triangle at all. Or vice versa. If I talked about this transversal that goes through this angle, would go with this angle, but it's not on the other triangle, so it doesn't really count. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those. But since the lines that are cutting through this is not cutting through both parallel lines. This is not cutting through both parallel lines in our triangle picture. We're going to say no, there's not enough information. Okay. Your homework assignment is again out of the book today. So go click on this assignment on Classroom and do it in your spiral.